Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to disable vibrations on silent mode on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to do that just go to settings and here tap on sounds and haptics. Now as you can see my phone is on silent mode and to disable vibration in this mode just tap here to go inside and as you can see now it's checked always play and to disable vibration just check here don't play in silent mode and that's all and then just go back and as you can see now my phone is in silent mode and haptics or vibrations don't play in silent mode and that's all. Just go back and exit and now you will don't have vibrations in silent mode. So I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.